College, they have numerous programs on the trades, with the welding, carpentry skills, the plumbing, whatever that might be, and just being able to go in and kind of see what their facility looks like and how they can give students the tools to be successful in the future. This would be a great opportunity to go do that. Go ask some questions, kind of check out, if there might be a program there that's going to fit your style, and start thinking about college and the trades, and what it might be for getting that education and what those jobs might bring you. With this too, the hopes and dreams would be, if it's something you want to do, being able to stay in Gillette. You'd be able to talk with some of these other companies, some of the manufacturers on this event, and maybe start talking about some opportunities or internships, or see, what kind of doors might open as far as a career in the manufacturing industry.